माननीय सभासद, कॉलिंग अटेन्शन फुडें तुगेल्ले कॉलिंग अटेन्शन घेवचे पयलीं एक सूचना आसा सगळ्यांक की रूल चॅप्टर 8 रूल 63 सब रूल 4 वाचून दाखयता आनी जर त्या प्रमाणे जर आमी गेले ना जाल्यार आमी वायोलेशन ऑफ रूल करता. त्या खातीर सगळ्यांनी मातशें रुला प्रमाणे कामकाज करपाक सहकार्य करचें. सब रूल 4 कितें म्हणटा की देर शॅल बी नो डिबेट ऑन सच अ स्टेटमेंट at the time it is made, provided that the speaker may, if he deems fit, permit questions for purpose of clarification. Provided further that in no case the matter be discussed beyond 20 minutes. हे म्हणजे नजरेक येयल्लें आसा की आमी एक वर कितें करता कॉलिंग एडिशनाचें उलयता आनी बाकीचें कामकाज मागीर अडचणीचें जाता. And the computation of time for discussion will start from the time when the minister completes his statement. तर म्हजी विनंती आसा तुमकां की रुल्सा प्रमाणे जे कामकाज पळय आसा त्या प्रमाणे आमी फुडें या आनी खंयच्याच परिस्थितीक वायोलेट करूं नाका रूल. फुडें तुगेल्ल्या लक्षवेधी सूचना विरोधी पक्ष फुडारी श्री जुलिया रेमाव, आमदार श्री एल्टन डिकोस्ता, श्री कार्लोस परेरा, श्री विजय सरदेसाय, श्री वेंजी विएगस, श्री क्रुज सिल्वा आणि श्री वीरेश बोरकार आणि मुख्यमंत्र्यांचे लक्ष ओडचे.
Speaker sir, in the context of the calling attention, it is submitted that Goa Police has initiated the following measures against the commercial sexual exploitation and trafficking. The Cybercrime Police Station has been actively cracking down on the illegal online activities defaming the image of the Goa, including the escort services. The Cybercrime Police have taken down, blocked 512 such escort service website URLs. Moreover, the social media monitoring cell of the Cybercrime Unit is actively monitoring such alleged website and taking preventive action. Similarly, the case has been registered in the Crime Branch Police Station's wide crime number 21/2026 US 67 of the IT Act and the Section 6 of the Independent Representations of the Women's Act that prior to the 28/2/26 against the accused being creator or the operator of the website. So below mentioned websites are there, approximately the 22 websites I have mentioned in that. During last 3 years of the following cases have been registered and investigated under the provision of the Immoral Trafficking Prevention Act 1956 under IPC stroke BNS. In 24 it is 8 altogether, accused arrested 18 and a victim rescued 19. In 2025, 8 all the cases under trial, accused arrested 18 and victim rescued 23. Till 2026, till 9th of March, 2 registered, 3 are arrested and victim 3 rescued. As per the guidelines of the Honorable Supreme Court and the MHA, a regular FIR are be registered in the instance and where the missing children are reported. All cases related to the missing persons are taken with promptness. This is also reflected in the state data related to the tracking rate. The special focus on given to the tracking out of the missing children, I have given the scheduled, which is approximately in 24. 67 children are missing, traced out of 65, 97 rate. 25, 72, 68 is traces 94, and in 26th of March, 9, it is 11, 763 ratio. Dedicated Women Police Station is functioning at a Panjim, and also the 2 anti-human trafficking unit, women and child protection units are functioning at a Margaon and Panjim, respectively to detect, investigate and prevent the cases of the human trafficking. Regular surveillance and intelligence gathering is being carried out to identify such activities. A pink force unit has been established to enable the visibility of the women police presence in the public and to prevent the offense against the women and children in order to create a more friendly, conducive, safe and secure environment for the women and children in the state. Women help desks are functional at a police station of Goa, wherein the lady police officers along with the lady staff are deployed. around the clock and to redress the grievances of the female victims. In September 2025, the state-level conference of the human trafficking was organized involving all the stakeholders, including the prosecution, judiciary, NGO, investigating officer, SDMs, officials of the Goa State Women Commission, etc., to strengthen the enforcement initiatives. Goa Police follows the coordinating approach involving the NGO, prosecution agencies, and other stakeholders. Regular coordination meeting and the joint training sessions are organized for the police personnel and NGO representatives to enhance the legal knowledge, procedural understanding, and the sensitive in handling the victim. During year 2025, the 2 specialized training programs for investigation officers are organized and which was attended by 60 officers. Goa Police works closely with NGO and Social Welfare Department to facilitate the rehabilitation and the reintegration of the rescued victim. On 11/1/2026, National Human Trafficking Awareness Day, the Goa Police had organized rallies involving the student and civil society to reduce the stigma for the survivor and encouraging reporting. Women Helpline 1091, Emergency Response Services ERS 112, WhatsApp Helpline 78 75 75 61 77 are the functioning 24/7 for the reporting of the offences, including the crime against the women and children. Deployed police personnel at the airport, railway stations, bus terminals, and the interstate checkpoints, and to monitor the suspicious movement of children and vulnerable persons for taking action. Coordinated with the police authorities of the other state in case they involving the interstate trafficking network. Goa Police continues to take the proactive measures through the enforcement awareness program, capacity building of the police personnel, and coordinated with the various stakeholders to effectively prevent the combat to human trafficking in the state. Speaker sir, फक्त माझी एकच रिक्वेस्ट असा, आम्ही जायत्यो गजाली ह्या बाबतीत करता, पण उलयता असताना आम्ही सगळ्या जणांनी एकूच भान दवरची की आम्ही स्टेटीच्या बद्दल उलयता, स्टेटीतल्या चिल्ड्रन आणि वुमन्स हांच्या बद्दल उलयता, त्या खातीर स्टेटमेंट एखादो आमी जी पर्सेंटेज बीन सांगता पळय न्ही, पेपरान येयल्ली सगळीच पर्सेंटेज खरी आसता अशी न्ही. गोंयांत बाकीच्या स्टेटीत टुरिजम स्टेट असल्या कारणान वेगवेगळ्या स्टेटींतल्यान लोक हांगासर येता, वेगवेगळ्या कारणां खातीर येता, तांच्योय केसीस हांगासर रजिस्टर्ड जाता. पूण एखाद्या पेपरान जर ते 1% म्हटलें जाल्यार त्या गोंयच्या 1% पॉप्युलेशनाचें बीन नासता. हाजी थोडीशी भान दवरची आनी गोंयचो स्वाभिमान काळजात भरून सगळ्या जाणांनी उलोवचें ही म्हाजी रिक्वेस्ट. आन्सर दिवपाक तयार हांव. युअर टायम स्टार्ट नाव.
Your time start now. Yeah. Speaker, तुम्ही सांगो तो सांगो था.
माननीय सदस्य काय काय प्रत्येकान फक्त एकच प्रश्न आपल्या क्लॅरिफिकेशन लागून उलोवचो.
स्पीकर सर, उलयन दी मातशें. गोंयत स्वाभिमान आमकांय आहा. स्पीकर सर, स्वाभिमान आहा म्हणून हें घायलां. स्पीकर सर, the matter I am raising, Speaker sir, I am basically raising is not a political matter. It is a moral, it is a criminal, and looks like there is an emergency in the state of Goa. Speaker sir, this house has been called basically to discuss the commercial and sexual exploitation and trafficking of women and children in the state. Speaker sir, as I begin, and I want to begin with a simple, devastating question. And all of us members know for a fact that this is happening in the state of Goa. This is happening right now in hotels, in massage parlors, in industrial belts, in flats, all over the coastal belt, on apps, every smartphone. Speakers are websites that are accessible to anyone, and they are found immediately. Speakers are Sarkaracho response is committees, is advisories, and press releases and silence. Speakers, let me put the facts before this house. Poile, facts that come not from the opposition research. This is not our research, because this is from the government's own agencies and from NGOs that have been doing the government job for the last 26 years. Speakers of female sex workers in Goa confirmed by the Goa State AIDS Control Society's own 2024 data. Speakers, this is not an estimate, but this is from the government's own health surveillance. The largest group of rescued victims જે પડ્યા between 2019 and 2024 were between 18 and 25 years old. This is your own data. Because young adults, possibly our generation, gone into this nightmare because they were desperate or maybe they were deceived. ARZ, that is Anyay Rahit Zindagi, an NGO, has been fighting this battle for the last 26 years with successive governments, not only with the present government, but for 26 years. And they released a report, Speaker Sir. And this report reveals, and I want the members of this house to understand something very fundamental, because this government has consistently misframed this issue. Why I say that, Speaker Sir? Government is a continuous process. But they speak about raids, what the Chief Minister gave us. I was expecting the same reply. They speak about rescues. They speak about rehabilitating victims. This is what you all are doing. But, Speaker Sir, they never speak about dismantling the network. When I say dismantling the network, this is because they cannot or will not. Speaker Sir, ARZ, online enabled commercial sexual activity padha, they have said this has made the traffickers faceless. In sagle online jata. Speaker Sir, arrests are made, but zeroing on the kingpins, je main base hai, kingpin padha, this never happens. Traffickers je padha, they are quick enough to switch their phones off, change their SIM cards. This is what they do in this new digital age. Speaker Sir, some police officers do not want to be named, but they say that the arrests are made, but local trafficker padhai, they get caught. But key perpetrators padhai, main munis into main, tenka kainch zaina. This has never happened. Why, Speaker Sir, ami aaj ullekh kidak kota. This is not a petty crime. Today, human trafficking is the third largest illegal revenue generating business in the world, after drugs, after arms. And these are not desperate individuals. This is a cartel. This is a cartel. These are professional criminal networks with logistics, with finance, with inside knowledge. Speaker Sir, how does one explain of the trade that is happening across the coastal belts? You say Anjuna, Kalangud, Kolwa, Benaulim, same areas. Years after years, decade after decade, the trade continues. Speaker Sir, the victims are replaced as quickly as they are rescued. Speaker Sir, I will tell this house that what has not happened and not done by the Goa government. Anik Mukhyamantrin a step Gyopak, it will be a historic step. When the Bahina area was cleared, Manor Parrikar had made history. He had the guts to do it. And I believe it is your duty now. Speaker Sir, the tourism jenna ek umke kode jenna ek raid zata. Tourism department has never withdrawn that license of that hotel or lodged any complaint for trafficking. Withdraw the license. Speaker Sir, Panchayat has never withdrawn any NOC of this commercial facility. Michael Loba asta. Kityak asta tu? Speaker Sir, no, it is a fact. Na, tu magi hulai. Speaker Sir, the ARZ director has confirmed this. This is the nodal agency of the government. Not a single panchayat has withdrawn. You need to create stern measures. Speaker Sir, this government is running the halfway system. My CM एक पास है मुझे. Speaker Sir, this
सगळे 20 मिनिटातून उलयतलो जाल्यार 20
Sir,
मिनिटात एकट्याक
important मुद्दा सगळे 20
एकट्याक
मिनिटां
20 मिनिटां
आमगेल्या चान्स दिता
20 मिनिटां जाली
Speaker
हांव
Sir,
बंद करतलो सेकंड क्वेश्चन घेतलो सेकंड कॉलिंग
हांव तेशको सेल्फिश नाव दिता रोखडोच मातशें तांकां डिस्टर्ब कोनाक म्हूण सांग Speaker Sir, this government is running a halfway system. It rescues, it does not dismantle the system. खूब गरज आसा हे system dismantle करप. It arrests the foot soldiers, but it does not touch the generals. Why? It rehabilitates the victims but it leaves the trade's infrastructure standing. If there are, the Honorable Chief Minister, Goa was the first state to pass the Goa Children's Act in 2003. The first state in the country. We are ahead of the country. We have a model and we have done this with pioneering legacy. But Speaker Sir, Goa is not immune to this national horror, as I say. आज this has been seen in industrial zones, it is reported in various industrial zones, Bicholim, Sattari, Ponda, Murmugaon. Speaker sir, if we look, ARZ is a nodal agency of the anti-human trafficking unit. Anik rescue operation jenna conduct jata, victims they are sent to protective home. The government will present this policy. But Speaker sir, I ask what happens after the rescue? The Honorable Chief Minister needs to tell us what is the conviction rate? What is the conviction rate? What happens to the traffickers who bought? Example, 75 victims to Goa, through Kenya, Nigeria ring. Speaker sir, FRRO or monitor kite Goyan kurta kai kite. The tourism department is not revoking any licenses, and if the government cannot provide this information today, let the Chief Minister give a very stern warning that what action will be taken, including suspending of those licenses if time and over again if this has been noted. Speaker sir, we are maybe here just looking, you know, in the streets of Panjim, everywhere you see these massage parlors. There are so many spas, everywhere what is happening, Speaker sir, we know this. Speaker sir, 6,425 women are in Goa in flesh trade according to the government's own health data. And 7,000 have been reportedly trafficked. We are in Goa, today, Speaker sir, has the highest per capita trafficking rate in the country. Highest per capita trafficking rate. Chief Minister talks about the other highest per capita. 8,15,000 more. As per the report, this is one of the highest, Speaker sir, in the country. So, Speaker sir, at the end, because I know others also have to speak, but Magadista, ki Chief Minister needs to take serious, this is a very, very serious issue. What steps will you take to strengthen the anti-human trafficking unit? Speaker sir, jenna ek patra haंव दाखयता, जे मुखेलमंत्रीक when he asked for shaping budget 2027, तुवें आख्या गोंयकारांक मागलोले suggestion, you have already received on behalf of Anyay Rahit Zindagi. They have written a letter to you on the 28th of February. This is an NGO that has been running with the state police for the last 26 years. So, Magadista, it is a very, very important issue. Goa should not get bad name. The way drugs, murders, rapes, and this also bad name if we get, because of the records show that it is happening. And it is a concern, and as legislators, it is our duty to make sure that Goa is not in bad shape. But this is happening, and we cannot hide away the reality. Thank you, Speaker.
माननीय आमदार विरेश बोरकार.
स्पीकर सर, ये आम्ही जो कॉलिंग अटेंशन मूव केला जॉइंटली, तो मूव करपाचो कारण कितें आसा? कित्याक संस्कृतीची खूब उच्चारां हांगा जाता, पण संस्कृती कशी प्रोटेक्ट करपाची, स्वाभिमान कसो प्रोटेक्ट करपाचो, हे म्हाका दिसता ह्या सरकारान शिकपाक जाय. कित्याक शिकपाक जाय? कित्याक आतां मुखेलमंत्र्यान एक आन्सर दिल्लें आसा, तितून तो सांगता की सोशल मॉनिटरींग सेल आसा. तो सोशल मॉनिटरींग सेलान 512 कितें वेबसायट ज्यो आसा, ज्यो एस्कॉर्ट्स वॉटेवर वेबसायट्स आसा त्यो ब्लॉक केल्ले आसा म्हणून तेंचेर सेक्शन 6 लायला आनी तेंचेर एक्शन घेवपाक लायला. आतां हे अशें सांगता स्पीकर सर की बाबा आपणान आमी कितें तरी केलें, पण कितें केलें तें स्टॉप कित्याक जायना हो व्हडलो प्रश्न पडटा. कित्याक स्पीकर सर, आयज आमी पळयता की ओपन प्लॅटफॉर्म जे ऑनलायन प्लॅटफॉर्म्स आसा, ऑनलायन आमी समज गुगलाचेर मारले नाल्यार कितल्योश्यो एस्कॉर्ट्स जो सर्विसीस आसा जावं जे तेंचे एस्कॉर्ट सर्विसीस प्रोवायड करपाचे जितले प्रयास आसा ते सगळे ह्या वेबसायटींचेर मेळटा. आनी हे आमी सांगिना, हे गुगल जो ऑनलायन प्लॅटफॉर्म आसा ते सांगता. आतां स्पीकर सर, म्हाका इतले चिंतून येता की आयज ओपनली आख्खे गोंयभर मायकल वता आसतालो, कित्याक मायकलाकूच चड हिट जाता ते, थंय चड तेंचे थंय सामकें चल्लां, तेका लागून तो चड आसता. सो ते इतले चल्ला आसतना जेन्ना तुमी पळयता की आयज आमी स्पिरिच्युअल मळाचेर वाडपाक जाय, पूण आमी ह्या मळाचेर वाडटा. आतां युरी बाबान एजन्सी सांगली ARZ, ही एजन्सी जी आसा ही सरकाराक जो गोवा पुलीस आसा हांकां सपोर्ट करता, तेंच्यांनीच सांगलेलें आसा की 13,000 ते 14,000 सुमार ऑलमोस्ट अशे इंडिव्हिज्युअल्स इन्वॉल्वमेंट आसा म्हणून. सो हे समज स्पीकर सर आसा नाल्यार हे कितले सिरियसली आमी घेवपाची गरज आसा. कित्याक आमी समज आयज घेयना नाल्यार गोंयचे जे संस्कृती आसा पळय ती काबार जातली. स्पीकर सर, आमी पळयता की सायबर एनफोर्समेंट हें खूब गरजेचें. आतां हें सायबर एनफोर्समेंट कित्याक गरजेचें? कित्याक आतां हे लिस्ट आउट दिलें आनी तें जालें म्हणटूच काय ना, ओगी सुशेगाद रावले, अशें जावपाक शकना. स्पीकर सर, हांव मुद्दम सांगपाक सोदतां ह्या तुमच्या फ्लोर ऑफ द हावस. आतां हांव बांबोलीम विलेज जी आसा ती म्हाका लागता. हांवें गुगलाचेर मारलें एस्कॉर्ट सर्विसीस इन बांबोलीम, म्हाका हें सगलें येता, सगल्यो वेबसायटी येता. कोण कितले भितर गेलो जाल्यार तेका लिंक येता, मोबायल नंबर येता, कोणा कडेन सर्वीस प्रोवायड घेवपाची तें येता. सो म्हाका स्पीकर सर लज दिसता, कित्याक हांव आमदार आसून आमी स्टॉप करपाक शकना की हे सरकाराची जी यंत्रणा आसा ती टोटल फेल जाल्ली आसा. स्पीकर सर, तशेंच हांवें मुद्दम पळयलें की जो एस्कॉर्ट सर्विसीस इन गोवा म्हणून मारली, नाल्यार गोंयांत कितलेशे एस्कॉर्ट सर्विसीस आतां पळय मारून पळयले, परत बंद केले काय म्हणून, कित्याक आमी कॉलिंग अटेन्शन घातल्या, कांयच बंद जावना, सगळें चालू आसा. मुखेलमंत्र्यान म्हाका दिसता हेजेर लक्ष दवरपाक, बिंग अ होम मिनिस्टर हें लक्ष दवरपाची गरज आसा. हांवें परत आनी एकदां चॅक केलें, एस्कॉर्ट सर्विसीस इन साकलीम, हांगा साकले पासून मुखेलमंत्र्याच्या मतदारसंघात पासून एस्कॉर्ट सर्विसीस आसा, हें हांव टेबल करतां. आनी जाय नाल्यार आतां गुगलाचेर मारून पळया की प्रत्येक जे एस्कॉर्ट सर्विसीस जाल्यार कॉमन जाल्या, ओपन प्लॅटफॉर्मार मेळटा. सो स्पीकर सर, स्वाभिमान हो आमचो आमी राखपाक जाय आनी हो स्वाभिमान राखतलो, नाजाल्यार मुखेलमंत्र्यान बिंग अ होम मिनिस्टर स्ट्रेट डायरेक्शन दिवपाक जाय की हे जितलें आसा हें सगळें बंद करपाचें. हें चालू उरलें नाल्यार हें घातक आसा. आयज गोंय टुरिजम स्टेट आसा आनी हे टुरिजम स्टेटीचो जो स्वाभिमान प्रोटेक्ट करपाची जबाबदारी ह्या सरकारा कडेन आसा. स्पीकर सर, आमी पळयता ह्युमन ट्रॅफिकींग, आतां ह्युमन ट्रॅफिकिंगाचे कितलेशे आमी सांगता, कितलेशे न्यूज येता. आतां कितल्योशे NGOs ह्युमन ट्रॅफिकिंगाच्या हितून काम करता. आतां ह्यो NGOs जेन्ना काम करता तांकां सपोर्ट करता, सरकार हें करता, पण तें आजून पर्यंत स्टॉप जाल्लें ना. तरी पूण गोंयांत हें पयलू केन्नाच नासलें स्पीकर सर. आतां हें दिसता, आयज ओपन प्लॅटफॉर्माचेर दिसता, कितलेशे सर्वेज आउट जाल्ले आसा. सो हें जेन्ना जाता स्पीकर सर, होम डिपार्टमेंट करता कितें स्पीकर सर? कित्याक एवरी टायम आमी असले इश्यूज आउट करता. हो एस्कॉर्ट सर्विसाचो हेच्या पयलूय इश्यू आउट केल्लो, हेच्या पयलूय आमी उलयल्ले हें चलता म्हणून. कितलेशे जाणांनी ओपन प्लॅटफॉर्माचेर भायर वचून उलयता, ट्युरिस्ट येवन उलयता, अशें आमकां त्रास करता. हेच्या पयलू हांवें सांगलेलें, म्हाका स्वता म्हणून लडकी चाहिए क्या म्हणून, तरी पूण तेजेर एक्शन जायना, तरी पूण तें चलता. स्पीकर सर, हितून इंटरनल इन्वॉल्वमेंट कितें तरी आसा अशें तरी म्हाका दिसता. इंटरनल इन्वॉल्वमेंट नासलें जाल्यार हें टोटल बंद जातलें. आनी हें जबाबदारी मुखेलमंत्र्यान घेवपाक जाय. आनी आयज ह्या फ्लोर ऑफ द हावस ही एश्युरन्स दिवपाक जाय की ह्यो जितल्यो वेबसायट्स आसा, कितले युट्यूब आसा, जावं आनी खंयचे हेचेर आसा, सोशल मिडिया नेटवर्काचेर आसा, फेसबूक, इंस्टाग्राम, खंयच्याय नेटवर्काचेर आसा, हे टोटल खंयच्या दिसा भितर बंद जातले. हे एश्युरन्स मुखेलमंत्र्यान आयज आमकां दिवपाक जाय.
माननीय सदस्य कार्लोस पेरेरा.
Honorable Speaker, I've seen the reply of the Honorable Chief Minister, where he has spoken about the Goa Police cybercrime having taken down Block 512 escort services, and that's very commendable. But what I have a respectful submission. We know today what is happening. If one person opens a website and that is blocked or it is shut down, he opens a new website. This is what is all happening. My submission is that just not block the website, trace the source of the website, and then book those people. You will find a recurring pattern of the same people being involved again and again under different platforms, under different names, but everything is being sourced because this is also money. And this is money which is illegitimate money. And there is flight of revenue, no taxation paid, no registration, and therefore it is totally illegal. So this is the one thing I want to say. Second thing is your cyber cell is also very busy, not only doing these kind of works to see these kind of sexual websites or these kind of unpleasant websites, but they also look after different type of cyber crimes. The cyber crimes can be money, can be where you have people doing financial transactions, you want to stop them. So they are busy with that. So they are doing multiple things. What I have a recommendation is, and that's what I want to ask the government, have a dedicated website, have a dedicated team, specially for the cyber cell, to monitor this, because they can also monitor in lifetime, and they can nab these people. And if this is done, and the message goes that the Goa police is watching you, like you have in George Orwell's 1984. Big brother is watching you. If it is in this manner, nothing can go wrong. I can assure that much of this will be reduced. So my respectful thing is that have a special dedicated cell only for this.
माननीय आमदार वेंजी वेगास.
Because sir, I stand by in reply to the calling attendance. Because sir, the National Crime Records Bureau and report केलो की 1,714 cases in 2020 trafficking आच्यो आणि in 2027 in 2025 2,227 2% increase जाल्या. Because sir, आम सगळे एकू पॉइंटाचे उलयताय कितल्योचो वेबसाइट्स आय कितलोचो लोक भोंवता कितलेशे ट्रॅफिकिंग जाता आणि आज जेन्ना ARZ हायलायट जाता की गोंया 1% हे म्हूण आम नांव पेडेको नाय पेपरांचे येता रिपोर्ट येता आम तेंक कन्फ्रंट करपा जाय एज अ स्टेट जरी तरी ते फुट माताय जाल्यार आमकां कन्फ्रंट केलो परेस आमकां सांगलो परेस की गोंयचें नांव आम पेडेकोतल्या भाशेन आम पेडेको नाय स्पीकर सर फॅक्ट्स आहा ते येता आणि इट इज अ शेम स्पीकर सर की गोवा टॉप्स द पर कॅपिटा ट्रॅफिकिंग गोवा टॉप्स म्हणजे कितें शेम ऑन अस दॅट we here as a state today are topping India as a nation at 1 case per lakh population where trafficking is concerned, 5 times the national average of 0.2 per lakh. At this strategy and yes, dilo aate, it is there in the news. Am uloil mun now pede जायना now keno pede जाता जेन्ना आमी mitigate करपा पावनाय तेन्ना. Speaker sir, I demand immediately 3 actions which is required. ARZ गेलो Arun Pandey, he warns, are we able to reach out to all the girls and women who are trafficked? Answer is no. So our specific demand here today is endorse ARZ's call for a statewide survey and map the victims, vulnerabilities, families, rehabilitation needs, table it in this house within 3 months. Second one is strengthen the AHTU, that is the Anti-Human Trafficking Unit, with 50% more personnel and issue rupees 10 crore funding from this 26-27 budget, mandating interstate task forces with neighboring states like Maharashtra and Karnataka. And third one is launch a safe Goa tourism protocol, train 5,000 hospitality workers, regulate online ads, impose fine on complicit establishments, make it like a model on Tamil Nadu's success. These are the 3 points that is demanded for today. We request the Chief Minister and the state to reply.
माननीय आमदार क्रुज सिल्वा.
एक कॉलिंग अटेन्शन उलयता आसतना हांव एक ओपनिंग लायन घेता एक हँडबूक कॉल्ड स्टँडर्ड ऑपरेशन प्रोसिजर 2023 ऑन ट्रॅफिकिंग इन पर्सन्स फॉर कमर्शियल सेक्शुअल एक्सप्लॉयटेशन वो बरयला अरुण पांडेजी फाउंडर डायरेक्टर ऑफ ARZ आणि आमच्या वेबसायटीर आहा गोवा पुलिसाचेर आय कोट ट्रॅफिकिंग इन पर्सन a contemporary form of slavery affects billions of children and women worldwide. India, a country with a huge population of 126.7 crores people, an extensive international border, a very vulnerable to human trafficking. A worst form of human trafficking is trafficking in person for commercial sexual exploitation. The victim of such trafficking face severe human rights violation. Speaker, sir, commercial sex exploitation and trafficking of women and child लागून आमचे गोंयचे नांव पिड्या जाता. थोड्यो केसीस हांवें दाखयल्यो जाल्यार इन ऑक्टोबर 2025 साउथ गोवा police raided कोलवा massage parlor. 9 victims are arrested, 3 in flight trade operation. ARZ NGO report 2019 to 2024 report reveals that 158 women trafficked from Maharashtra to Goa alone, with Pune red light area as major source. Goa now a top destination per NCBRB data. In January 2026, 27 case sex trafficking victim rescued, over half in Goa. International link 2024 bus of racketeering trafficking Indian girls to Muscat via Goa agencies. Speaker sir, हे थोड्योश्यो केसो जरी तर आमी अरुण पांडे NGO तेको उलयलो जाल्यार तेको आनी जायत केसी येतल्यो आनी ते वर्स्ट कंडिशन जाल्ले आहा. Speaker sir, हो इश्यू I discuss for एकदम important. आमी 2025 on December a बच फायर ट्रेजेडी जाल्ली गोंया आनी थिंग आमी चोयलो एक नॅशनल फॉरेन नॅशनल थिंग डान्सर म्हण आसलें काम करतालें एका वर्क परमीट आहली वो हें ट्रॅफिकिंगाची आनी हांवें आयकिल्लें ते भाशेन नॉर्थ गोवा डान्स भास जायत नाय आनी थिंग काम करताय डान्सर म्हूण ते ह्युमन ट्रॅफिकिंगूय आसपा शकता तांकां म्हाका दिसता ताका वर्क विजा आहा म्हूण सो तांकां एक्सप्लॉटेशन जाता बिकॉज सर आमच्या गोंयांत आतां सांगलां ते एंटी ह्युमन ट्रॅफिकींग युनीट आहा तितून सुपरिटेंडंट पुलीस आहा डिप्युटी सुपरिटेंडंट आनी PI आसा नॉर्थाकूय आनी सावथाक ते काम करताय काय कोन्नाय हे कोत्ता सिरियसली कोत्ता जाल्यार हे केसीस म्हणून जावपाक जाय म्हाका दिसता आमी सॉफ्ट आहाय म्हण जे कोण बिजनस कोत्ताय ते कॉन्फिडंट आहाय तेंचे बिजनस बंद पडपाना म्हण बिकॉज आयज नॉर्थाक पुलीस कोण आसा आयज लोक हेका धरून पुलिसांक दिता हें बरें न्हू हे विक्टम आहाय तांकां धरून लोक धरून दिता हें पुलिसान काम करपा जाय एक पुलिसान भंय क्रिएट करपा जाय हें बिजनस गोंयांत चलपाना म्हण सो हांव मागता हें बंद जावपाक जाय ऑलरेडी म्हाका दिसता CM कडेन आमचे ARZ NGOन ऑलरेडी मेमोरेंडम दिल्लें आहा I urge to set up a task force to discuss its measures and what we suggest today in the August House and come up with a strong measures to protect our women and children from this menace. Thank you.
माननीय सदस्य दिल्लो टायम ऐकून घ्या दिल्लो टायम जरी तर सोंपलो 4 मेंबर उलोवपाचे उरल्यार रजिस्टर जाल्ले सगळ्यांक 2-2 मिनटां अलाव करता शॉर्टेस्ट भितर करा.
Speaker sir, this calling attention which is tabled by all my colleagues is very important. Anik, as much as the Honorable Chief Minister is concerned about Goa, we as MLAs are that much concerned of Goa. Kita amgele sobit Goa. Speaker sir, being from a hotel industry, and amgele Michael Babu agree zatlo, maksada far as south compared to north, we are much better. But Goa, amgele Sarkar is talking about spiritual beaches, beyond tourism, beyond beaches. And jana muta spiritual amgele destination Goa zache. With this type of thing which is coming up and these figures, what is come in the answer, do we feel that spiritual destination, the beyond beaches zatle, amgele Honorable Chief Minister sovereign data dita, but as our LOP has said, how to dismantle this, the main kingpin is very important. आम्ही आफ्टर कितें सांपळलें कोणें कॉल केलें रेड मारल्यो ते दोलो आनी मागीर 2 दिसांचो सुटले दुसरे दिसा चोवपाक गेल्यार मागीर ते मनीस विक्टीमू ना आसता what I want to say, the Honorable Chief Minister, all these raids, everything is okay, but main just source जो main boslo here to dismantle is very important because it is affecting us as tourism, as a hotel owner, it is affecting us and it is being a very big problem. So I urge the government to dismantle the main source which is doing this. Thank you, Speaker.
माननीय सदस्य मायकल लोबो
अरे हांव मुवर
Joint,
असं दोघ
हांव मुवर आहा हांवें जॉयंट मूव केला हांवें
joint.
पुरे
चड उलयना स्पीकर सर आय डोंट वॉन्ट टू बी रिपिटेटीव मुखेलमंत्र्याचे हांव एग्री जाता की आमी आमचे गोंयचेच नांव बारा बिरेस्तार करूंक जायना हे सभागृहान उलोवन बट आमी उलयतात खंयच्या सब्जेक्टाचेर अबाउट द वर्ल्ड्स ओल्डस्ट प्रोफेशन आता ते वर्ल्ड्स ओल्डस्ट प्रोफेशनाचेर जर चाबूक मारतलो जाल्यार स्पीकर सर वी वील हॅव टू टॉक अबाउट रेग्युलेशन रेदर देन प्रोहिबिशन तुज्यान करूंक जावचें ना कोणाच्याच करूंक जायना तें आनी टुरिजम आहा म्हणटकर तें एक फॉल आउट ताजो हें जाताच बट स्पीकर सर आमी एक इमेज जर बरी दवरतले म्हणल्यार अशें सामकें रॅम्पंट आतां मागीर एक आमदारान म्हणलें शाही काय म्हण कोणें ताकाच विचारलें अशें जेन्ना सारकें रस्त्यार पडपाक लागता तेन्ना नांव पेड्यार जाता स्पीकर सर हांव जें उलयतां योगायोगान आज पणजे म्युनिसिपालिटीची CCPची इलेक्शनां आहा पणजेन सगळ्यान फामाद रस्तो म्हणटा तो 18th जून रोड म्हळ्यार गोंयच्या क्रांती दिसाच्या नांवान तो रस्तो योगायोगान 18 जून रोडाचेर 18 स्पाज आहा उत्तर दिला म्हाका 18 स्पाज आहा आतां हे स्पा कित्याक येता ह्या रस्त्यार प्रश्न हा तो स्पीकर सर हे स्पाजांनीच तुज्या उत्तरां जी मेळ्ळ्या ताचेर अशें दिसता कोलवा आनी खंय त्या स्पानीच ते भितर हो धंदो चलता म्हाका तुका तें कळचें ना कित्याक आमी थंय वचचे ना आमकां तें लागत ना म्हणटा आमकां कळना पूण जो ट्युरिस्ट येता जो म्हळ्यार जो ट्युरिस्ट नॉट द क्रीम ट्युरिस्ट तो येता आनी डायरेक्ट थंय स्पानी वता आनी एक स्पानी 18 जून रस्त्याचेर 18 स्पा सो नाव इट इज कॉल्ड कितें It is called the Spa Street. No, 18 Spa Street. आता ते 18 जून गेलो थंयच. आता it is called the Spa Street. Speaker sir, म्हणल्यार लोह्यान जी क्रांती सुरवात केल्ली ती हाडून आमी स्पाचेर न्हिदयली. हें जावपाक जायना. आनी हे सरकाराच्या टायमान टेन्युअरान जालां. म्हणल्यार कितें? रेग्युलेशनान तुमी फेल जातात. तुम्ही असे रॅम्पंट करून दितात. हे रॅम्पंट करून दिवचे न्ही स्पीकर सर. टुरिझम डिमांडा खातीर एक जाता. ऑर्गनायज ट्रॅफिकींग म्हणटे ह्युमन ट्रॅफिकींग येता. जे स्टॅटिस्टिक्स सगळ्यांनी उलयल्या हे स्टॅटिस्टिक्स आमचे न्ही ओ ते NGOचे न्ही. दीज आर कमिंग फ्रॉम द नॅशनल क्रायम रिकॉर्ड्स ब्युरो विच इज एन एजन्सी ऑफ द मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ होम अफेअर्स. म्हणजे स्पीकर सर एकूच मिनिट हांव चड उलयना. आय एम ओनली सेईंग दॅट डोंट टेक एनीथिंग लायटली. पूण इमेज ऑफ द स्टेट जर बरी उरतली जाल्यार यू हॅव टू रेग्युलेट इट. यू कांट अलाव इट टू बी रॅम्पंट. दुबय अशें आशिल्लें एक टायमार तांणी बंद केलें तें आनी ते रेग्युलेटेड इट. टुडे it is growing. Also those things may be there, but that is not the place it is known for. Speaker sir, हे जर सारखे करतले जाल्यार एक सायडीन आमी स्पिरिच्युअल टुरिझम म्हणटात, दुसऱ्या सायडीन आमी कामासुत्रा आनी क्रिसमस म्हणटे सेलिब्रेशनाचे अनाउन्समेंट जाता आनी मागीर ओपोजिशन बोवाळ करता करता भायर डावन हे वेबसायट तेजी डावन जाता. हे सारकें न्ही स्पीकर सर. हे ऑन द ओन जे सरकारी एजन्सीज आहा पुलीस तांणी उठपाक जाय. ते आमी तांकां जागोवंक जायना.
माननीय आमदार मायकल लोबो.
स्पीकर सर, एक 5 मिनटांनी उलोवपाक म्हाका अत्यंत इम्पॉर्टंट सब्जेक्ट आहा. आमचो बाब युरी आलेमांव लिडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन आनी ऑपोजिशन मेंबरांनी जे आयज कॉलिंग अटेन्शन हाडला 2 वाटेनी आहा. एक इट शोज गोवा गोईंग इन रॉंग डायरेक्शन आनी इट शोज वॉट आर वी ट्रायंग टू प्रोजेक्ट गोवा एज. आता बायणा म्हणटा पळय ते कितें आसलें जे बाब युरीन म्हटलें बायणा यू कॅनॉट कंपेर एनीवेर इन द अदर कोस्टल बेल्ट वेदर इट इज कलांगूट कोलवा ऑर एनी अदर प्लेस. बायणा जे आसलें हें स्क्रॅप आसलें. आमच्या वाटेन तशें ना. आतां जे कोण सक्सेना आनी सिंग मिस्टर सिंग आनी मिस सक्सेना जी येता आनी हॉटेलान रावता तुम्ही आता भायले कोण उबे रावता ते भुरग्यांक कितें सांगूंक सोदता की यू कंपेर देम एज दॅट म्हणून. मागीर पुलीस एक्शन घेतली आनी तुमी दाखयतले की हे पळय हे चालू आहा. बट डोंट डू लायक दीस. इट इज अ इंडस्ट्री. आमची जी इंडस्ट्री आहा ट्युरिझम इंडस्ट्री स्लोली गोईंग डावन. यू कॅन तेजेर आमी फातर घालया नाका न्ही. आमी रिस्पॉन्सिबल लेजिस्लेटर्स. हांव मानता एक वाटेन तुमी जे उलयला की हे त्या डायरेक्शनान वचोंक पारना म्हणून. ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर हॅज टू टेक एक्शन ऑन ऑल दोज इलिगल थिंग्स वीच आर हॅपनिंग. हे जे सगळे स्पाची हे दिला एस्कॉर्ट सर्विसीसाचे जे नांवां दिल्या तुम्ही जे तुम्ही जो तर फोन मारी तो कितें जायत दे आर नॉट हियर इन गोवा. and if they tell you want, they'll tell you to put money. This is the same thing. Like एक हॉटेलाचे एक 5 स्टार हॉटेलाचे 4 स्टार हॉटेलाचे कोण वेबसाइट तयार करता आणि लोक पैसे घालीत हा भितर आणि आफ्टर 20 days it comes to light that it is all scam. So it is the same thing. Don't think that all these things are real. Some may be real, but they are operating outside the state. You don't bring a bad name for our state. We are in the tourism industry. If anything happens like this, the entire coastal belt people come to know immediately. It doesn't remain in hiding. Even if a illegal spa is operating and doing some hanky-panky business, तो 8 दिसांनी बंद पडटा, रोखडो कळटा, भायल्यान लायन लागता, भायल्यान लायन लागप म्हणजे आनी कितें चालू आहा भितर, सोमते वचोन रेट तेजेर बंद तो. तशें तुमी धरी नाका की बाबा हे सगळें चालू आहा. ह्युमन ट्रॅफिकिंग म्हणटा पळय तें उतर कितें 2 भाशेनी आहात. ह्युमन ट्रॅफिकिंग म्हणजे कोण तरी हिंगासून चेडवा सप्लाय करता, दुसरे स्टेटीन धाडटा, दुसरे कंट्रीन धाडटा, हो गोंयान हाडटा फॉर दीस पर्टिक्युलर ट्रेड. तशें जायना. दाखोवया न्हू आमकांय दाखोवया. आमी कोस्टल बेल्टान 15 वर्सां जालीं आमी. you have to be very this thing. I partly agree with Vijay Sardesai. You have to be very specific. If you are saying human trafficking is happening in the state and especially in the coastal belt, we are responsible MLAs from there. You have to show us what is that. आता कोण तरी ना ना
Because sir, this
Speaker
is
sir,
agency's number. Agency is working for
Talk.
26
Agency तसे
years.
खूप आहा.
This is their number.
sir, agency तसे
We are
खूप
only-
आहा.
we are
I
only
want
doing
to-
with the government
I want to
data.
bring to the
We are
honorable.
doing with the government
I want to
data.
bring it to the honorable leader of opposition जे नोंदरे काढून
This
सोदता.
is the report of the
I want
government.
we are
SDO
discussing
working
here.
with the government.
Speaker sir,
Speaker sir, this is
Basa.
the report
स्पीकर
of the
सर एकच
government.
मिनिट हांव सोंपयता न्हू हांव सोंपयता तुमी उलयतना आमी उलोवंकूच ना स्पीकर सर हांव इतलेच नोंदरे काडूंक सोदता ऑनरेबल लिडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशनाच्या बा विरेशाच्या पासून ऑनरेबल मेंबर आमी उलयता ते सगळे बरी गजाल आयना आमी आमचे स्टेटीचें नांव काबार कोत्ता हितून हे जे आमी उलयता पळय ते जे बायणां एक टायमार आसले ते बायणां दुसरे कडेन करूंक दिवंक जायना आमी बट यू कॅनॉट कॉल मिस्टर सक्सेना एंड मिस कुमारी जी येता आनी हे करता ते भायल्यान उबे आसतले भुरगे न्हू
सोपय,
तेच
बायको
कंप्लेन
लोको.
करतले फाल्यां आनी भितर उडय म्हणटले
बायको लोको
दिस इज
सोपय.
नॉट दिस इज नॉट अ
आमदार
लीगल
बायको
दिस इज
लोको.
सम इलिगल थिंग म्हणटले गोईंग ऑन इन द हॉटेल तशें करूंक जायना दे आर कमिंग ऑन देयर ओन दे आर बुकिंग द हॉटेल ऑनलायन एंड दे आर चेकिंग इन द हॉटेल हाव यू कॅन डिस्क्रायब देम एज हू तू जे उलयता लिडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशनान जे मांडलां ते यू आर क्रिएटिंग डाउट इन द माइंड्स ऑफ द पीपल हू आर स्टँडिंग आउटसाइड इन द
Speaker sir,
हॉटेल
he's taken my
they
name.
will
That's
they
why
will
I have only spoken on what an NGO working with the
Don't
government
interrupt,
has
let him
written.
speak and finish.
And it is
Michael
my
Lobo.
NGOs
duty
may
to
have
highlight
lot
it.
of
Michael Lobo, I
Speaker
will
sir,
call next name.
Speaker sir, this
If
is
you are
very
discussing,
important
I will
subject.
call the next name.
या सब्जेक्टाचेर गोंय चलता आयज स्पीकर सर ह्या सब्जेक्टाचेर गोंय चलता
Subject. ना,
गोंय गोंय
subject
चलता
म्हणजे
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 कितें
कितें?
आमचे ट्युरिझम रिलेटेड
हे
इंडस्ट्री आहे ट्युरिझम रिलेटेड इंडस्ट्री
expunge
यू कॅनॉट पुट
हे
यू
हेजेर गोंय
कॅनॉट
चलत
पुट
म्हणजे कितें?
यू
हे expunge
दाग लागून
No, no,
लाग
no, Speaker
दिवंक
sir,
शकना
this
आमच्या
is
इंडस्ट्रीचेर तुम्ही दाग लावपाचो प्रश्न करता
Michael Lobo.
स्पीकर सर दाग लागूंक जायना
I will take the next name.
दाग लागूंक जायना
स्पीकर सर ते या एक मिनिट स्पीकर सर
ट्युरिझम इंडस्ट्री काबार जातली ह्या हितून जे स्पान तुम्ही करता
स्पीकर सर
पहिले बसा.
अरे
Michael Lobo, बस.
एक्सपंज इट
Michael Lobo, बस.
एक्सपंज
चला बसा.
हाका प्रॉब्लेम
अरे, expunge it.
ट्युरिझम इंडस्ट्रीक दाग लागोंक जायना
माननीय
Expunged,
सदस्य
expunged.
वचून जाग्यावर बसा.
सांगतो स्पीकर सर
जा वचून जाग्यावर बसा.
स्पीकर सर
बंद झालो, सगळं जाग्यावर बसा.
जो तर कितें म्हटला ते एक्सपांड कर म्हाका
बसा.
प्रॉब्लेम ना
आता 20
Tourism
20
industry
मिनिटाचे
दार
1
लायता
मिनिट
मरे
पाच
तुम्ही.
दिवचो ना.
स्पीकर सर
बसा बसा.
एक्सपंज करपा लायतो
वचून बसा.
स्पीकर सर माझे म्हणणे हा आमचे गोंय जे आयज चलता हे ट्युरिझम इंडस्ट्रीचेर चलता तेजेर दाग लायनाका इतलेच म्हटलंय
माननीय सदस्य मायकल
तुम्ही मिसअंडरस्टँड जायनाका देर इज नथिंग टू मिसअंडरस्टँड हियर
माननीय सदस्य मायकल लोबो फिनिश कर.
डोंट ब्रिंग दिस टाइप ऑफ थिंग्स हे कितें
नेक्स्ट मेंबर
सेम तू उलय
निलेश बाब काबराल.
उलयता
Speaker sir, तू expunge केलं ते.
केलंय.
अच्छा. ना केलं ना. Yes.
बस.
Expunge केलं.
I have permitted you another some time I will be
एक्सपंज केलंय
The time on no Speaker
This
sir.
is
let
the
that
last
be on
member
record.
who will
It
speak.
be catastrophic.
Nilesh Kabral will be the last
Catastrophic.
member.
Tomorrow if the press carry that out,
Mande
heजेर गोंय
LOP.
चलत म्हणून catastrophic जातलें catastrophic.
Mande LOP
हेजेर आनी
ट्युरिझम
पाड
इंडस्ट्री
जातलें.
मरे
रुलिंगाचो आमदार म्हूण रुलिंगाचो आमदार म्हूण येतले फाल्यां.
बसून घ्या. उभे.
चालू करा स्पीकर सर याची आज कॉलिंग अटेन्शन घातलेले ऑपोजिशनान आणि तेजे ऑनरेबल सीएमान रिप्लाय दिला आणि रिप्लाय दिता तेणें खूब म्हायती दिल्ली आसा 512 सायट ब्लॉक केले मागीर क्रायम ब्रांच सेक्शन क्रायम सेक्शन 21/2026 अंडर 67 ऑफ IT एक्ट एंड सेक्शन 6 ऑफ इनडिसेंट रिप्रेझेंटेशन ऑफ वुमन्स एक्ट 28/2 म्हणून तांकां इतल्यो सायटी ब्लॉक केल्यो हे सगळे बरे आसा स्पीकर सर पण स्पीकर सर जे आज मायकल बाब सांगूंक सोदताले म्हाका दिसता आमचे लिडरांचे हांव हेल्टन बाबाचे हॉटेल कशें चलता तें म्हाका खबर ना पूण आयज ट्युरिझम गोंयान आसा ह्यो सगळ्यो गोश्ट्यो आमच्या काल पळय बजेटाच्या स्पिचीचेर हांव उलयतालो की खंय तरी सर्वीस सेक्टर युनिट इज कमिंग डावन सर्वीस सेक्टर हांव म्हणना हेजेर काय म्हणना हांव सर्वीस सेक्टर आनी सर्वीस सेक्टरा भितर ट्युरिझम लागता आज इतलेच आहा स्पीकर सर की ऑनरेबल सीएमाक हांव इतलेच रिक्वेस्ट करता की IT सेल आणि ज्यो गोष्टी ह्यो रिपोर्ट केल्ल्यो ह्यो 15 दिसांनी स्टेटमेंट सीएमान घेवपाक जाय की असल्यो गोष्टी गोंयांत जावपाक जायना. सगळ्यांक ह्यो गोष्टी जावपाक जायना. पूण गोष्टी जावपाक जायना म्हूण कितें एलिगेशन करप ना. ह्यो गोष्टी कोण 40 आमदार म्हणटले की हे गोष्टी गोंयांत जावपाक जायना म्हूण. पूण खंय तरी आमी उलयता तेन्ना जशें मायकल बाबाचो फियर आहा की ह्यो आमी उलयता तेन्ना हेच करता काय कितें. आज बिचीचेर कुत्रे चावता, आज आनी ते बिचीचेर ते मसाजर आसता, मसाज करपी लोक आसता, आनी कितें आसा. सो ह्यो इमोरल एक्टिविटीज इन द स्टेट ऑफ गोवा शूड स्टॉप. दीस इज माय रिक्वेस्ट टू ऑनरेबल सीएम. आनी हेजेर सीएमान म्हाका दिसता 15 दिसांनी एक तरी हे लक्ष हाडून खंय तरी सिरियसली घेवपाक जाय इतलें सांगता. थँक्यू.
स्पीकर सर, हे कॉलिंग अटेन्शनाचेर सगळे उलयले, जेंच्यांनी आपल्यो खंत व्यक्त केला सगळ्या जाणांनी. क्रायम ब्रांच आमचे रजिस्टर्ड स्पेशल केसीस हातूंतल्यान आनी त्यो वेबसायटी ब्लॉक करपाक लागलेले आसा. म्हाका हें कळना की म्हाका दिसता स्पेशली त्यांनी साखळेचो उल्लेख करून बीन काडले मुद्दम कोण तरी मुद्दामून जाणून बुजून करता काय कितें अशेंय म्हाका जाणवला, दिसपा लागला. एकूच मिनीट, हांवें पळयलें न्ही, हांव पळयलें. स्पीकर सर, म्हाका बाप निलेश काब्रालान तर 15 दिसांनी म्हटलं, हांवें इन्स्ट्रक्शन दिला दर 8 दिसांनी एक सुद्धा जर आसत जाल्यार तुमी क्रॅकडावन करात. तांच्यांनी म्हाका रिपोर्टूय दिलो की एक सुद्धा जे आहा पळय न्ही गोंयांतल्यान ऑपरेट जायना. एक सुद्धा वेबसायट गोंयांतल्यान ऑपरेट जायना. खंय तरी आसाम, वेस्ट बेंगाल, केनिया, उगांडा, ओके, वेस्ट बेंगाल, गुजरात, महाराष्ट्र, MP, UP, ओके, ह्यो वेगवेगळ्या मध्य प्रदेश, आसाम ह्या सगळी कडल्यान ऑपरेट जाता. हे फक्त स्पीकर सर, हे सेक्स ट्राफिकिंग बीन काय न्हू, हे पयशे लुटपाचें काम. हे पयशे लुटपाचें काम. फक्त ते नंबर धाडटात, तूं पयशे घाल, मागीर धाडटात, ते पयशे लोक घालतात, असले असलेले तेंचे पयशे वयतात. हो प्रॅक्टिकली आसा स्पीकर सर. हे आमचे पुलिसांनी पुलीस हे प्रत्येक फावटी तेच्यांनी व्हेरीफाय केलां. हे कळपाक जाय म्हणून आमी जो डमी गिरायक करून धाडटा पळय न्हू, डमी गिरायक म्हणटा ताका, तो करूनय तेंच्यांनी पयल्या पयशे घालूनय पळयले तेंच्यांनी की तो रोखडोच अकाउंट ब्लॉक, तेजी सायड ब्लॉक, सगळे ब्लॉक. दिस इज म्हणून म्हजें गोंयांत येवपी टुरिस्टांकूय आव्हान आसा आनी सगळ्यांक आव्हान आसा की गोंयांत प्रॅक्टिकली आमी जितक्या मोठ्या प्रमाणात दाखयता तितक्या प्रमाणात हें चलना. खंय तरी मायनर कितें आसतलें हांव ना म्हणना, बट ताका लागूनच तेजेर कंट्रोल पूर्णता होम डिपार्टमेंट, टुरिजम डिपार्टमेंट हे सगळ्या ज्या पद्दतीची स्ट्रिक्ट एक्शन घेवपाक जाय त्या पद्दतीची स्ट्रिक्ट एक्शन आमी घेतले ऑलरेडी. म्हणजे
एक्शन किती एक्शन ते मातशें सांग न्हू. स्टर्न मेजर्स आनी एक जाग्यार दवरतो. आनी विजय बाबान एक सांगला 18 जून रोड वो हा म्हणून. स्टर्न एक्शन घे मुखेलमंत्री. टेक सम फर्म स्टेप्स.
स्पीकर सर, स्पा रेग्युलरायझेशन जो आहा पळय न्ही बंद करता.
बऱ्या आणि ते एंटी ह्युमन ट्रॅफिकिंग युनिट पडते SP आहाय ते सारखे मिटिंगी येनाय, मिटिंग जायनाय. SP अंडर 2 आहाय तुगेले ते सारखे बसनाय.
करता हे सगळे टाउट्स स्पीकर सर टाउट्स बंद करता. स्पीकर सर टाउट्सूय बंद करता.
स्पीकर सर,
आणि एकूच
इतले इझी जाल्यार कित्याक बंद केलना. हे उतराचेर बंद करता म्हणजे कितको बंद करता ते सांग.
स्पीकर सर, हो फक्त थोडोसो रेशो जो ते दाखयता पळय न्ही, थोडोसो तो फिगरचे दाखयता, हे तेन्नाचे ओल्ड फिगर्सूय आतां हायलायट दाखयता. म्हणजे GSEC आसूनी, गोवा स्टेट एड्स कंट्रोल सोसायटी किंवा अर्ज आसूनी, ह्या दोनूय म्हणजे GSEC ही गोवा गव्हर्मेंटची सोसायटी आणि अर्ज हो NGO ह्या दोगांच्या बरोबर हांवूय पर्सनली केन्ना केन्ना आफोन हाडून रिव्ह्यू घेता, रिपोर्ट घेता, हांवूय उलयता. अशें न्ही की हांव हांकां वळखना म्हणून. GSEC म्हाका पयलीं पासून खबर आहा.
पत्र बरयलें तेमी.
तुज्या म्हायती खातीर सांगता हांव, गोवा स्टेट एड्स कंट्रोल सोसायटी जी आहा पळय न्हू, हांव जाणा सिन्स फ्रॉम 2000. माय NGO इज वर्किंग विथ द GSEC.
गुड.
हे गेली 24 वर्सां आता.
गुड. मातशें आपय ना तेंका तू पत्र बरयलें तेमी आठाय सारखे.
ताकाच लागून स्पीकर सर, हांव जी तेंच्यांनी सजेशनां दिल्या ती सगळी सजेशनां हांव म्हज्या होम डिपार्टमेंटाक सांगता आनी इम्प्लिमेंट करपाक लायता.
तेच्या फुडली लक्षवेधी सूचना माननीय विरोधी पक्ष फुडारी सर्वश्री युरी आलेमाव, आमदार श्री कार्लोस परेरा, श्री क्रूज सिल्वा आणि विरेश बोरकार आणि जलसंसाधन मंत्र्याचे लक्ष उरचे. Please be short and adhere to 20 minutes thereafter. After
the minister
statement is
replies,
made by the minister.
After the minister, पहिले माग तरी का हिंदी घालपाचें स्टार्ट करपाचें पहिले घाल मायकल लोबो चोड उलयला
काय तो 20 मिनिटाचा असतो ना 40 मिनिटं आहे तुमको दिली.
Because, sir, attention of this house is drawn to the most current issue in respect of diversion of Madai waters, wherein the state of Karnataka has restarted preparations in full swing by procuring generators, pipelines, and setting up a working unit
DK Shivakumar
in Khanapur Taluka. See, DK Shivakumar bar bihan hai madhumi. To divert the Kalsa Bandura Canal waters to Malprabha. As per reports from the Goa-based environmentalists and activists, the Karnataka government is expecting a green signal from the Ministry of Environment and Forests and the National Wildlife Board. The Karnataka government is staying in full preparedness to commence work without any lag and delay from the date of approval. Steps that the government has taken to address the most critical issue and the proactive measures proposed in this regard be placed before the House.
Honorable Minister.
Sorry, Mashay. As a reply, just about any coming when as written.
Mrs. Delilah Lobo, MLA, please call the attention of the House of the Minister for Drinking Water.
Speaker, sir. Attention of the House is drawn regards the anxiety in the minds of locals from the Sholi constituency, as there is shortage of drinking water supply to the people of Sholi constituency. Many households are receiving water supply for a very limited hours, while some areas are not receiving any supply at all for days together. This situation has adversely affected daily household activities and raised serious health and hygiene concerns. The steps the government intends to restore a regular water supply to Sholi village, Sholi constituency.
Honorable Minister.
Speaker, sir, in Siolim constituency, there are 10,223 number of water supply connections, out of which there are about 9,864 of domestic and 359 non-domestic connections. Total demand of Siolim constituency is 15.47 MLD, while Siolim constituency is at the tail end of Asnora water supply system, and water supply to this area gets disrupted due to issues such as low pressure, power failures, and frequent breakdowns and shutdowns. These issues are resolved on priority to ensure regular water supply to consumers, and also short-term measures like water supply through tankers are provided to the affected areas. There is a shortfall of 5.27 MLD in Siolim constituency. In order to overcome the shortfall, 5.6 MLD water treatment plant at Siolim is constructed and is partially commissioned and right now it is on a trial run. In addition, Asnora water treatment plant will provide additional water supply to Siolim constituency after augmentation of 30 MLD water treatment plant at Asnora, and both these plants are likely to be commissioned and completed by May 2026. Speaker, sir, for your information, there are some villages I would like to give details. Marna village gets supply hours 5 to 6 hours in a day, and the problems only at old AC pipelines needs to be replaced. There are some very old pipelines, those we have proposed to replace it. Oshel, we get 7 to 8 hours of supply. Sodium 6 to 7 hours. Sodium 6 to 7 hours. Only old pipeline asati break jatat. That we have proposed to replace. Anjuna Kaisuva village gets 4 to 5 hours of supply, and water supply shortages issues of many years at this place, including Hodran, Praiswado, Big Wagator, Small Wagator, part of Durivado as resolved in these 3 months. Part of Durivado
Dabwado and Devlawado are having less water supply due to tail end point of distribution system and will be resolved after laying of new pipeline which is already tendered. So in another 3 months' time, these villages will get regular supply. Azagaon, 4 hours, water supply shortage issues of many years of most of the wados in Azagaon area is resolved after partially commissioning of 5.6 MLD plant. Also, Sonarkhed, Azagaon area, water shortage issues of more than 15 years is resolved permanently. Part of Munangwado, Mazalwado, Badem area having less water supply and will be resolved after laying a new pipeline which is already tendered. Vella Kanka gets as of today 3 to 4 hours of supply, whereas recently we resolved the issues like Sateri Nagar water shortage is resolved by drilling borewell. Only the consumers whose houses are located almost at the same level that of Vella Kanka tank are not getting proper water supply, which we are going to resolve with augmentation. Speaker sir, I have personally attended to the grievances of some of these villagers along with Sarpanch and the Honorable MLA. And we have taken in these 3 months, we have sat for about 2 to 3 times and we have asked all our engineers to be prompt in their services. So it's because of that I'm constantly in touch of all my engineers and we are working on war front. And I assure you that in another 3-4 months time, with all these tenders, when we execute it, you will get a proper supply. The works which are tendered are designing, construction, testing and commissioning of 5.6 MLD water treatment plant near Suolim Bridge in Suolim constituency, about 8.12 crores. Urgent replacement of 150 mm of AC distribution line by 150 mm DI pipeline from St. Anthony Church, Suolim to Paramount Building, Suolim. In Suolim constituency, it is around 2 crores worth. Again, maintenance of water scheme of Suolim and surrounding areas, urgent replacement of 250 mm and 150 mm and 100 mm AC line with 250 mm, 150 and HDPA and 110 dia PVC line from Marna tank to Shapura junction in Suolim constituency. Again, 2 crores. Urgent replacement of 200 mm dia AC line with 200 mm dia PVC line from FC Suolim Club to Wadi Badem in Suoli constituency, 91 lakhs. Any replacement of old AC pipeline with 100 mm dia Bobby Bar to Jamblini in village panchayat Anjuna under Suoli constituencies. These are the works that we have taken up, and once we do away with this, I think you should get regular water supply, uninterrupted supply.
Speaker sir, I want to first of all thank the minister. आमच्या old pipelines खूप Suoli constituency replace झाल्यात, but still there is दोन already tenderaक काम हा एक major काम उरला म्हणटा पळय ते urgent replacement of 200 mm AC line with 200 mm DI line from Bade junction to Holy Cross Bade in Suoli. This it is waiting for TS. ही पाइपलाइन हे घातले जाल्यार आमकां आख्खो एक वाडो बाद्यांतलो म्हणटा तो सॉल्व करपाक मेळटलो. Besides that, there are so many places others also with 2 tenders which are in pipeline जातले. Secondly, हे आमचे 5.6 MLD water treatment plant, तेजो output 5.6 MLD तो म्हळ्यार अजूनय half the capacity also it has not reached. I would request you after assembly session, to please come on the site, and I need a assurance from you today that 5.6 MLD water treatment plant last year complete जावन दिवंक जाय आसलो तेणी, पूण अजूनय जायना. आतां we are already almost another 1 year past. तेणे अजूनही आमकां हँड ओवर म्हणल्यार करूंकूच ना. So I request you to please come on the site along with the contractor is required on the site when you are coming. He is not from Goa. And then if that is fully functional, all the water grievances of my constituency will be solved. Sir, the society under staff घेवपाचे आहा तेही अजून घेवंक ना. ताका लागून परते सगळे आमचे 5 मेंबरांक ते लेबर दिवपाक पडटा तुमच्या सुपरवायझरांक आनी मटेरियलूय आमकांच हाडूंक पडटा. सगळे 5 मेंबर दितात. वी आर गिवींग. सो ते सोसायटी अंडर ते लेबर हे घेवचे, स्टाफ घेवचो आनी तांकां लेबर मातशें वेगाचे वेगान दिवचे. And besides that, please see, my only one thing is that 200 mm AC line which is pending in Bade. Besides that, वेल्लाय problem हा, सगळे गावांनी problem आहाच. पण your intervention will be required, your inspection on that site along with the contractor will give a big relief for me to, we need to inaugurate it. And 5.6 MLD water treatment plant म्हणता ते 2 MLD पासून अजूनही सारखे रिलीज करूंक ना तीनूय गावांनी.
Definitely, Honorable Speaker, I will conduct the inspection along with my engineers and the contractor and along with the Honorable MLA. And we will see to that 5.6 MLD water treatment plant near Sholim Bridge will get commissioned in another 3 months of time. And also, as you have requested, the Badem replacement of AC line with 200 mm dia will be replaced immediately. And I assure you that the vacancies which are to be filled in the society, I will analyze the requirement of in your division and see to that your staff is placed in your constituency. And also with this few the works, your constituency will get regular supply.
Thank you, Speaker.
Shri Viresh Borkar. It is very specific issue.
Speaker sir, Shiwale constituency 10,223 हे connections आसा म्हणून सांगलेले आसा आणि domestic 9,864 domestic आणि non domestic 359 आणि total shortfall जो आसा तो 5.27 MLD. आता स्पीकर सर आम्ही या सभागृहात इतलीशे आता वर्सां आसा 4 वर्सां जाली 4 वर्सांनी कितलेशे फावटी वॉटर शॉर्टफॉलाचो विषय हो येत आसा आणि परत आम्ही शॉर्टफॉल कितलो आसा हे सांगता. काबरालाक चड खबर आसा. ह्या काबराला कडेन एक टायमार आमच्या कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी अजून पर्यंत 2 MLD शॉर्टफॉल आसा अजून पर्यंत. तूं आसलो तेन्नाच्यान आतां पासून. सो स्पीकर सर जेन्ना आमी शॉर्टफॉल पळयता उदक हे खूब गरजेचें आनी उदक हे प्रायोरिटी आसता मनशाक. जेन्ना आमी पळयता हेल्थ पर्स्पेक्टीव आसूं जावं आमचे जे डोमेस्टीक युजाक लागून आसूं हे उदक खूब गरजेचें ड्रिंकींग वॉटर. आता हे ड्रिंकिंग वॉटर स्पीकर सर आमकां मेळना. तितून कितलेशे गजाली आसतल्यो पायपलायन लिकेज.
Speaker sir, question येवन येनी. परत repetition.
Please be specific.
What I have explained, you are explaining again. माझं प्रश्नाचेर यो. Question is pertaining to Shivoli. हांवें उत्तर दिलें तें परत एक फावटी तुका तेंच एक्सप्लेन करता. प्रश्न मांड आनी सोपय.
प्रश्न मांडटा. म्हाका विचारपाचें आसा मिनिस्टराक की टेक्निकल असेसमेंट तुम्ही कितें केला सप्लाय ऑफ इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चराचो हेजो असेसमेंट केला एक जालो. दुसरो स्पीकर सर आता कितें जाला न्यू प्रोजेक्ट येता. न्यू प्रोजेक्ट येता तितून कितलेशे TCP बोर्डाच्या अंतर्गत ते प्रोजेक्ट पास करता.
Speaker sir, Viresh Babu, Speaker sir, I will request. Tomorrow there is a world question asa.
Honorable member, one moment. Honorable member,
department
objection raise करता कित्याक न्यू कनेक्शनां दिवची पडटा मागीर अवेलेबिलिटी सर्टिफिकेट एक डिपार्टमेंट दिता.
Speaker sir, फाल्यां क्वेश्चन आसा.
हो म्हाका प्रश्न आन्सर करता.
आणि तो आन्सर डिटेल म्हणजे डिपार्टमेंटाचे सगळे प्रोजेक्ट इन्क्लुडिंग कोणाचो खंयचे पंचायत लेवलाचे रिक्रुटमेंट तुगेलो कितलो आसा पळय न्ही रिक्वायरमेंट कितलो आसा, सप्लाय कितले आसा, कितले MLD प्लांट आसात, खंय खंय शॉर्टेजीस आसा, फाल्यां सगळे उत्तर दिल्ले आसा, फाल्यां उलोवया.
शॉर्टफॉल आसा हो तुमीच सांगता. हो शॉर्टफॉल आसा.
मंत्रीन उत्तर दिलेलं आसा. वेश वर्कर अशें बसून घेयात. Now we will take up the group of demands listed for today. Honorable Minister for Health may move demand numbers 47, 48. Is it related to Sholim constituency?
स्पीकर सर, म्हाका हेजेर एक फकत वॉटर सप्लायचे टँकरान आमच्या मिनिस्टर म्हणलें बऱ्यांतलें बरें काम करता आमचो ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर. जे वॉटर टँकर जे येता सप्लाय करपाक, हे कितें आसता स्पीकर सर, हे वॉटर टँकर चॅक करपाची गरज आसता. एक एक पाटी वॉटर टँकर कितें वता, उंच्या होड्याक पायप लायता आनी ओडटा आनी लोकांक सप्लाय करता. हे इम्पॉर्टंट जावन आसा. आनी ते लोक कितें वता, एक पाट पिवपाक ते उदीक यूज करता आनी थोडे लोक कितें वता रांदपाक यूज करता. ते टँकर चॅक करपाची गरज आसता, रँडम चॅक. आनी दुसरें कितें आसता, आनीक सांगता, टँकराचेर न्हू बरोवंक जाय ड्रिंकींग वॉटर काय तूं बिल्डिंगेक सप्लाय करता, कितें करता, हें न्हू इम्पॉर्टंट. हे तर केलें न्हू आमच्या लोकांक आमचे सेफगार्ड करपाक बऱ्याक पडटा. कित्याक लोकांक गमना, लोकांक दिसता कितें पिवपाचें उदीक म्हणून लोक मागीर रांदपाक यूज करता, पिवपाक यूज करता आनी खुबशे लोक दुयेंतूय पडटा. तेका लागून हेजेर मातशें चॅक करचें, इतलेंच हांव सांगता.
स्पीकर सर, आमी एज फार एज पॉसिबल आमी टँकर ह्या एका वर्सा भितर इतके रिड्यूस केल्ले आसा. द टोटल रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ गोवा इज अराउंड 675 MLD, बट थ्रू टँकर आमी करतात ते नॉट इवन 1 MLD of water is supplied through tanker. We are discouraging tanker and we are extending to their lines to the last mile. ते चिंता करना तूं टँकर आतांच जे शिवोलीचे आशिल्ले पळय न्ही, 3 months back they were about 6 to 8 tankers. आमी लायन ले केली आणि ते आज 2च टँकर आसा, ऑपरेशनल डेली ना. So we are reducing the usage of tanker and trying to extend the last mile तुका पाइपलाइन घालपाची पळय.
Hello, Vishal Sapna. Honorable Minister for Health may move demand number 47, 48, 49, 51, 53, 54, 55, 58 and 68.
On the recommendation of Honorable Governor, I would like to move the demand number 47, 48, 49, 51, 53, 54, 55, 58 and 68.
The demands are before the House. Honorable Member, Leader of Opposition, Shri Yuri Alemão, Shri Kuz Silva, Shri Alton Costa, Shri Wenzi Vegas, Shri Vijay Sardesai, Shri Viresh Borkar, Shri Carlos Ferreira. MLAs may move the cut motions to the respective demands circulated in the list number 1, 1A, 1B, 1C, 1D, 1E and 1F.
Speaker sir, I would like to move the cut motions listed against my name in the circulated list number 1.
Speaker sir, I would like to move the cut motions listed against my name in the circulated list number 1E.
Speaker sir, I would like to move the cut motion listed against my name in the circulated list number 1A.
Speaker sir, I would like to move the cut motion listed against my name in the circulated list number 1C.
Carlos Ferreira.
Speaker, I would like to move the cut motions listed against my name in the circulated list number 1F.
Shri Alton Costa.
Speaker sir, I would like to move the cut motion listed against my name in circulated list number 1B.
Shri Vijay Sardesai.
Sir, I would like to move the cut motions listed against my name in the circulated list number 1D.
The cut motions are before the House. We may start the debate. Members of opposition, Shri Carlos Ferreira. The time will be divided equally, so please do not waste the time of the House.
Honourable Speaker, I rise to support my cut motions and oppose the demand. First, I will speak on the Health Department, demand number 48. Our PHC in Aldona, it is short of staff. We are having a medical officer and we need one deployed from SDH Ponda and one MO deployed at THS and one on contract. Even in the staff nurse, we have got 4 and 3 are on contract. Ayurvedic physician, it's 1 and 2 are on contract. A homeopathic physician, there's a sanctioned post of 1, but we have only 1 on contract. The public health dentist is 1 is deployed from UHC Panjim. Ophthalmic assistant, this is one thing which is very, very crucial. We have a sanction post, but we don't have anybody coming there. And this is causing problem for a lot of people who are going for their eye checkups. We have MPHW, that is male nurses. We have 6 sanction posts. We have only 4. And 1 is deployed at CHC Sankli and 1 post is vacant, if those could be filled up. Similarly, we got MPHW female, where we got 8 and 4 on contract. Surveillance workers, we have 3, and 2 are deployed at PHC Porvori. Superior field worker, we have 1, and 1 is deployed at UHC Mapsa. Field workers 12, we have 6 posted at PHC Porvori, 1 Bisholi, 1 UHC Madgaon, and 1 vacant. And the driver, we have 3 post sanction, but we have 3 plus 1, 1 deployed from GMC, 1 from Bisholi. MTS 13, we have only 11 in post, 2 vacant as the posts have left. So an X-ray technician, we don't have anybody. He's being deputed from PHC Shiroda. So my respectful demand is that we need to have these people in place so that we can have the PHC fully functional. We also need a dialysis unit. The Honorable Chief Minister has said that every PHC there is a dialysis unit, but our PHC does not have a dialysis unit. That we need those, because a number of people are suffering from this and they're going to GMC, they have to wait in queue, and for them going and coming with somebody along with them is a problem. Ambulance and vehicles for staff. We require, there is only 1 ambulance at PHC Aldana, and they are using that because they don't have a staff vehicle. So they sometimes have to use that ambulance to go for field works or to go to any other place. So I would request that a vehicle for the staff also has to be done. A repair for the PHC building is required because the plastering is peeling off. And our field staff from PHC Aldana is deployed to other health centers. They should be brought back so that it can be fully functional. At the district hospital Mapsa, we need also staff. As far as that is concerned, I think the Honorable Minister may be having that requirement. I won't read all the data because it shows that there's a need of at least minimum 50 more staff nurses and 50 MTS which will be required. We don't have, the CT scan is not working, and the repairs of the building is required to be done, and the X-ray machine also is not working. So I will just pass this list of the North Goa District Hospital. I won't read because all those details can be looked into. In the town and country planning, demand number 54, we have a burning issue of section 39A. The intention of the legislature was very clear. It was to allow certain changes of zone. But now what is happening is, there is a contour plan which is being drawn. And the contour plan, the rules provide for applicable contour plans. There's no reference to contour plans prepared by the Survey of India. Under the regional plan 2021, the base which is mentioned there in 3.5 or para 3.5 of RPG, it says topo maps of Survey of India have been used. So this is the base for your survey plan, for the regional plan. If this is the base for the regional plan, I would always say that you look back at that. You may bring another plan, but look back at this plan for the purpose of matching the contour plan. But what is happening in para 3.2.C.4 of the building regulations, it says you are allowed to bring plans and sections of area where cutting or filling more than 1.5 meters height from the existing ground level is involved. Contour plan at 1 meter intervals in case of sloping sites prepared by a chartered surveyor. Please understand this. Chartered surveyor is one. Even a chartered surveyor, please look at it with reference to the Survey of India. Then I think all these problems will be sorted out. Eco-sensitive zones, the rules say, your rules which you have framed for zone change, I'll just read that. Rule 5.1, eco-sensitive lands defined in clause C of sub-rule 1 of rule 2 shall not be considered for change of zone. But in rule 5, sub-rule 5, it say, 4, It says, in case of land whose zoning has been reverted to agricultural and non-developable zones in Regional Plan 2021 from settlement zone in Regional Plan 2001 shall be considered on priority and as per the merits of each case. That means you are virtually nullifying 2021 RPG and you are reviving 2001 Regional Plan. So I think that this should not be done, and this is what is causing a lot of heartburn. If, Honorable Speaker, you will see, we have got an answer which was given by the Honorable Minister to LAQ number 118, which was answered on unstart question LAQ 118 on 10 March 2026, and to a question by Viresh Borkar. And that shows large-scale zone change which has taken place, ranging from areas of Kanakana right across to Bardes and to other places also. It shows the Kanakana has the highest, it shows the 12.78 lakh square meters across Goa has been reclassified as settlement zone, with Kanakana being the highest with 3,25,959, Tiswadi at 2,77,927, Perne 2,46,624, Bardesh 2,40,000. Now, what is new thing which is coming up, which I have seen, is that they are even now going in for zone change by knocking off tenants from the survey form. What the process is, the buyer is waiting in the wings, he enters into an agreement with the tenants, and then they come for a negative declaration, and the Mamladar happily gives them a negative declaration after the tenant is dead. That tenant, if he was alive, probably would have said no. But when he is dead, you are making the application. Honourable Speaker, can I just, I was talking about tenanted land.
Dead men walking.
The tenant has died. What they're doing is, heirs are going before Mamladar, getting a negative declaration, and then the plot is being sold. And then they are applying for the zone change. Now, two things you please understand. One part is, if you and I today, holding our land, we go for zone change, it's not being done. But people are purchasing the land, and suddenly they realize that, oh, this zone change has to be done. And then they're coming and they're making request, and all this fraudulent manner in which I have raised objection. This thing have raised objection about it. They have proposed, this is there, I'm giving this. One is in Nashnola, where area has been this thing, but this is the tenanted land, please, I'm giving these copies. One to Honourable Minister, one to Honourable Speaker. I'm showing this. Objection has been raised already by our people, where, Michael, please see this. I've clearly said that in connivance with the legal heirs of the late tenant so-and-so, negative declaration tenants applied for registered a case number so-and-so, and I think within 1 month he got a negative declaration. And then it is mentioned in the sale deed, page 2, that, but the survey form which is in the record of the town planning department shows that there is a cultivation year by year on this agricultural land. So this shows that this was done fraudulently and with the sole intention of seeking zone change. The other one is Nashnola, where the plot is 11,924 square meters, and it's a natural cover, again, 4,749 square meters is sought to be changed to settlement zone. That also after the sale deed is done. Honourable Speaker, since the town planning also deals with these issues, I want to show a case where under section 17, action was requested to be taken for a hill cutting which was done in Ikoshi. It was done by a private party, but it falls in Ikoshi, but the Salvador Dumont Sarpanch had filed a petition. It went to the deputy town planner. Unfortunately, I don't know why nothing has been done. It shows that somebody was cutting the hill for making a road. I've sent the photograph. And the police even wrote a letter to the deputy town planner, forwarding written complaint received from Sandeep Salgaonkar, Sarpanch of VP Salvador Dumont. This is in the boundary of my constituency, but it touches my constituency. Please see the photographs, how the hill has been cut to make a road. And nothing has been done after this. So my respectful submission is that please look into this also and ensure that action is taken. There is also another road which has been done through NDZN in Ikoshi, because Ikoshi falls in my area, in my panchayat, though the village for survey is Salvador Dumont, it is in no development zone. I will give you that survey number exact, I will pinpoint and give you that. Without anybody's permission, you all are not given, nobody has given permission, but they suddenly made a road, because today they will prepare this in advance to say that here there exists a road, there are no trees, you know how the system works. So I will request even action to be taken on that. As far as demand number 53 is concerned, food and drugs, I have one thing which I have noticed, which everybody would have noticed, are these vehicles which carry these soft drinks, PET bottles on the top of their vehicles. We know that PET bottles are not very good, they're not recommended. I'm not saying ban them as such, but what I'm saying is, when they're exposed to the sun, the leachate which will come is very carcinogenic. And I think that they are maximizing profit by putting it up, even hanging outside where there is sun and there is heat, and then we drink it. Sometimes we find water tastes funny, we find the cold drink tastes different, and this is what is happening. And then we think that we put in a fridge, we are all fine. And then we have all these kind of problems for us, for our elders, for our family members. My request is, these vehicles transporting soft drinks and plastic bottles, I know that Bisleri, I remember Bisleri, puts it into a vehicle, closes the vehicle and they transport it. But the others don't do this. They have got those racks, because easy to pull and easy to push those crates. So they keep it like, it's very cheap manner of transporting, because they want to cut costs. So my request is that also action be, FDA must be asked to take action against this to stop this kind of things which is affecting us. As far as women and child development is concerned, there is this nutrition which was being provided of rice, dal and jaggery, etc. Now I'm told that now there is some rice porridge instant mix which is coming. I'll just pass this. This is coming as a rice porridge instant mix, this way, this is the one. And apparently it contains so many things which is so sweet, children don't want to have it, nobody wants to have it. Honorable Minister, see this for the Anganwadis, they are giving this under that portion 2. And the nutrition which was given, which was supposed to be very good, but now this is all packed, everything combined in one, supposed to be a healthy meal, but it is so sweet that children don't want to have it, parents don't want, nobody wants it, it's just a waste, it's just going, I think that should be reverted to going back to giving what was being given before. As far as municipal administration is concerned, my respectful submission is smart city is a total mismanagement. We have been having roads being dug, laid, redug, and I don't know what kind. They brought a smart city, this thing, what you call that, a vehicle for the purpose of it, but that vehicle seems to be derailed, or whether it's running away with the funds of the government, I don't know. Personally, I feel that if those funds were invested in a city adjoining, in some area which could have been developed as a city, I think this could have decongested Panjim. This would have allowed heritage of Panjim to be preserved instead of concentrating everything into the city, jamming and choking Panjim. And today the problem is if you try to enter Panjim and get out of Panjim, it's a nightmare. So I feel that something needs to be done so that we can conserve the beauty and the heritage of every city, because every city in Goa has got its own unique features, and I think the municipal administration can assist in doing this. There's another thing about regularization of daily wage contract workers in municipality. In table 2, department-wise, in the ATR, which the Honorable Chief Minister presented, department-wise list of budget assurances initiated during the same financial year, and its implementation is underway. This is the title of it, and at serial number 1, in 89, it says to provide temporary status to daily wage workers across all municipalities who have completed 7 years or more service. Now the answer is, all ULBs have been directed to submit the bills of temporary status for pay fixation. Municipalities have already initiated process of payments towards a temporary status, which is page 59, running page 62. Now this temporary status, this I'd already mentioned yesterday in detail, the temporary status scheme is not the scheme to regularize. It's only a label. But then the clause says you get no benefit of regularization. Just 5 minutes more and I'll finish. You get no benefits of regularization. You end up in the same status, and it says that you will be regularized as and when a vacancy arises, which is contrary to the Supreme Court directions. If you have worked for 10 years or more, this is 7, I'm not talking about 7, if you work for 10 years or more, then it's the responsibility and duty of the state government to regularize all the stuff which is there. No post, no sanction post, or no funds cannot be a criteria if you're using them annually, year by year, for the same job for 10 years or more. There are people who are there for 17 and 18 years now. So this is my respectful submission. Dilapidated structures in municipal area also required. And there is one more thing which, Honourable Speaker, I require to mention, where you were present, I was present, Honourable Minister was present. In June 2025, a commercial building in Mapsa was inaugurated along with that library. Unfortunately, now it's almost a year and the building has not been operational. I spoke to the Chief Officer this morning. I asked him, why is it still not functional after the inauguration? It's quite shameful that after you call for inauguration, it's still not ready. It's a waste of money. It's a waste of funds. Otherwise, we could have got revenue and the municipality could have got something out because finally money is invested in the public. So he said there was first a problem because of fire issue, which he said now things have been, they have given some observations which are being rectified. And there's another dispute about somebody putting a claim, some 30 square meters or something has been utilized or usurped of that person. And the matter went to the High Court, and High Court has asked to consider that and resolve it amicably. Whatever it is, I feel that the building should be put into use as fast as possible, because all these things, because when there's a public interest, it overrides private interest. Therefore, I think it can be speeded up so that the revenue can come in for the municipality. Otherwise, this entire inauguration becomes a mockery. As far as forest is concerned, there are two things I want to speak about. Again, about staff in the forest department and forest corporation. These temporary jobs, these people who are working on contract or daily wages, you know you need them, you know you can't dispense with them. Therefore, I think even steps like how I spoke about municipalities, they should also be regularized. The other thing is about forest, I don't say forest fire, it's fire in forest. What I'm saying fire in forest, there are people specially burning trees. After burning, they clear it up. They don't turn up. They disappear, and after 2 years, they will come and say, there is no forest, and there are no trees, and then everybody gives permission for development. I think this kind of thing must be stopped. In the event of the tree being cut off or it is being burnt, ask them to replant the trees and restore that status of that land as it is. If you want to cut, ask permission. I'm not saying do by this fraudulent means, but ask permission and do. So I keep these things, and I'm grateful to Honorable Speaker.
I'm requesting everybody before tea break, if you all wish to speak, to kindly put in your requests, because I will not accept any request post 4:30. The House is adjourned till 4:30 p.m.